Good morning. Day 2. We are stuck on the boat. Ah, shit. News time. As you can see, this is day 2 and we are not in Nassau because there was a medical emergency, so we are stuck on the boat.
Yeah.
They had to go back to Miami. And since we are stuck, we're not getting off. No, we were going to do the walkthrough of the casino of Atlantis, Bahamas, but
Next time.
that's gonna be next time. We might not even go to, what is it, their K?
Yeah, the private island.
Private island tomorrow because of
there's a
weather. So, that's not on them, but anyways, this is going to be a cruise to a cruise. Oh well, time to go to the casino. As you can see where everybody's walking crooked because we're not drunk, the boat is tipping. Like this, the boat is tipping. Oh, she's putting in the 100. Oh, here, I'll do that for you. And we're gonna use her card because she's the winner.
Right today? Stop.
Oh, I almost pressed it. What are we doing?
I'm not sure.
Look, see, so the mini and the minor is 2 cents. Go minor here?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. One more. First spin,
like
Johnson. First spin, Johnson. Ta-da! Okay, you hit it.
Give
Boom.
us something good.
Did we get the minor? Oh, we need 6 of them, right?
Oh, this first spin Johnson is a sucker. We didn't win anything yet.
We got 40 cents.
Nothing.
Hey, hey, hey.
Nothing. Wow.
We want $1.80.
I'm not sure if I like this machine. I don't know. Give us our money back for sure.
Oh, here we go. $12. There we go.
Oh man.
Aces. We won 26.
Oh,
Well,
nice.
that made up for it. Okay. Keep going.
Alright.
Switch to a different game. Good game.
Good game.
Well, let's try this. I bet $60. I don't think I bet right properly. Nope. Let's hope it's in the middle. I put it all out there.
All out.
Yeah, it's all out. We might just break even. Oh wait, no, I bet 34. So I won $45.
34 red.
I didn't bet it properly.
You lost them?
Get my money back. Let's try this. What numbers? 4, 8, 11. Okay, I'm gonna bet. Oops. Oops. Undo. Oops. Undo. Clear. Crap. There and there. Okay, here we go. Let's hope we hit 17 or 20. 17 or 20. So I bet $16.50 out there. My nose is running.
Yeah, it
Let's see. It is 26. I won.
46.
Nope, I lost $1. Okay, you want to choose some numbers? Let's bet 10 numbers. Please help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more.
7.
Okay. Those are the numbers. If we hit it, we bet $5 to win $18.
Oh wow.
If we hit any of those numbers.
You wanted to shoot?
Huh? Yeah, I need tissue. I'll go grab tissue after. After this, we'll go grab tissue. Okay, here we go. The number is
24.
nope. Okay. Let's go play something else. I need to blow my nose. Being roulette, I'm just gonna walk around and find something else. Let me sit down. Sitting down to record. Here we go. All right. You can press it. I'll watch.
Let's try to find it first. Go up and down.
Sure. Here we go.
Okay. That gave us our money back. Keep going.
There they are.
Where?
Those boxes.
Should go up.
Yeah. We need 4 of those. $1.50. One more? Uh-huh.
Is he gonna throw? Doesn't he throw?
Yeah, he throws his balls down. Usually monkeys like to throw their shit all over.
Come on, throw something. Or 80. That's pretty good. Give us our bet back.
Oh, here he goes. Any more? Any more? 2 more. Give us 2 more.
Oh darn, does it really?
Mm-hmm. Okay. 3. 2 more. Hello? 2 more. Come on. Come on.
Oh.
What a waste.
Yeah, that was a waste.
That waste was that $20 one.
That would have been good. Alright, should I keep playing it?
It's up to you. You wanna try to get a bonus round, right?
I do.
Yeah, just play it.
I want to see a bonus on this one.
Ooh, $10. Are you gonna give it to us now? Oh, we got the bonus. Let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go.
Do it.
There it goes.
No, down here.
Yeah, down here, silly. Oh, there we go.
Keep going, down here.
Okay, we need 2 more.
Keep going, down here.
Come on, monkey. There we go.
Down here.
Oh, that's a good one. $30.
One more, monkey, one more.
That's a $30 one.
And then we can get it out there.
Okay, you think we get it?
Come on, yeah.
Ah, we got cha-ching. We got a bonus round. Cha-ching. Hey, we got that one too.
3 more.
Hey.
2 more, monkey, 2 more.
Oh, with 31 on top. 2 more.
Come on, monkey, 2 more.
Oh, don't be so stingy. Here we go. 1.
Yeah, 1, 2, one more.
Come on.
Come on, monkey.
Land it. Land it.
Monkey.
Land it. Land it. We have so many chances. Come on.
Monkey.
Boom.
Aw,
Oh, man.
that's still pretty good.
Yeah, I wanted the other one up there.
Me too.
I was getting greedy.
This is gambling. There's why we gamble.
Yeah. Hey, got to see a The story of our lives. We got everything back.
76.
Hey.
Yeah. Money we started with.
Ta-da.
Hey.
Look at him clap. Electronic. Buffalo. What about buffalo? Dragon link or buffalo? Alright.
And then buffalo.
Okay.
Play this first.
Okay. Sitting down so I could record. Oh. Up high. Okay. You press play. We are at Golden Gong.
You go down to 50.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, we need 6. Or 3 of these firecrackers.
This is an aristocrats game. Cool. Hey! You need a fast spin, huh?
First line. We need 3 of these or 6 of these.
Oh. Hey, oh my gosh. I got excited. What's that?
Nope, you need 3 of these.
Oh, firecracker.
Firecrackers.
That button is sensitive. Just push it one time. There you go. Are we getting it? We got it. Okay, let's see what happens here. Ta-da! I haven't seen this game before. Have you?
Me too. I've never seen this game.
Okay, go for it.
You could get those.
You could? Yeah. Okay.
I guess it triggers a respin.
You need 6 more to start a Gong feature?
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't collect it though. Well, how many more games? 4 left. Oh wow. Here's another not so good.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's a good one at the very end. Come on.
Just like the other one.
Alright.
I wonder if you get 2 of those, you get a...
A re-trigger?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Wow.
Alright.
We won $10. On $1.76? That's less than 10 times your win bet, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cash out.
Yeah?
Cash out.
Okay.
Let's go your next one.
Let's go to hop to a different game here. I want to try buffalo.
We got 95 though. No, not bad. Let's go back to 100.
I want to try buffalo or the rich little piggies.
Leave to you because I chose
Okay.
last time.
Okay, we sat back down on this game right here. As you could see, Rising Rush. Oh, I was gonna...
Oh, I'm sorry though.
Go ahead.
I just want to try to get the knife.
See, she guys won 9 wilds.
Yeah.
And she was excited to play it.
Someone keeps playing this and keeps leaving the
Okay.
numbers.
To see how much she
wanna
wins.
complete it.
We put in $20. So let's see if she gets... Oh, that's 11 wilds. Here we go. And you won 63 cents.
Not awful.
Okay. I have $50 in here. I want to play max bet. $2.40 again. Here we go. 2 of those.
Yeah. In 2 wheels.
Cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's see what we get here. Ta-da! How much is that? Ooh, ooh, there. Hey, we got our money back.
Yeah.
Story of our lives. Here we go. I want to get a bonus round. Here we go. Let's see what happens here. It's a lot of risings. It must be good since it did that, huh?
Yeah, but we're hoping for the progressive. How does the progressive?
We have to get the bonus round to get the progressive. Yeah. Bonus round comes in the progressive. The progressive comes in the bonus round. Ooh, look at that. Should I keep going?
What do you feel?
That's $80 right there.
$80, yeah, that's right.
Okay, we sat down at Rich Little Piggies and we're gonna play $1.50 per line.
Sure.
Yeah, here we
Do you
go.
want to put any more and play max?
You want to?
Sure. How are you feeling on this one?
What's that?
Just it stays bigger, that's all.
Put in-
100 wilds, 12 free games.
Here, put in one more, another 50, and let's play it at the 2 cent. Or this one max?
Alright, leave to you.
This max is $6 on this, huh? We're gonna play max. Wait, what was this? What's max on this one?
$12.
$12. 12 free games, 60 wilds, okay? 15 wilds, 9.
They get to get this one.
No?
One more. 100 wilds.
100 wilds. What is this? 75 at 5?
$1.25, I think.
It's about, no?
Oh,
It's like $3 and something cents.
I see.
Hey! Let's see what we get. 7 games awarded. Let's see what we get here. Boom. Anything exciting?
Let's see.
Boom.
Oh, it's the one that goes up there.
Oh, get the minor, mini, or maxi.
Yeah.
Mega? 12,000.
Sure. Sure, we're gonna get that one.
Mini?
Might as well get the mini. One more mini.
Minor. We need a minor. Get a minor. Minor. One more minor. Hey, we got the minor. Cool. 3 more games. Re-trigger? Re-trigger? Major. Major is 62 or 40. 62.50. Here we go. Wilds? Nothing? Okay. Point. Here we go. What do we get? We got a mini. We need it. Almost got a maxi. So that's 6 free. We got the maxi too.
Oh, 7 of 7.
Oh, look at that. Boom. You won. It wasn't recording.
Oh my god, what's wrong with it?
I don't know. It wasn't. Okay, we are over at this game that I love playing. Bao Zhu Zhao Fu.
Bonjour.
Here we go.
Okay, we start with 264.
Okay,
Is there any sound?
right there. Hopefully this records again. It turned off on us for the 3rd time. GoPro.
My GoPro. We would like to publish our games.
I I might do a media comparison.
With GoPro and?
GoPro, Insta360, iPhone. She got it. Alright, let's see if this GoPro's effing recording.
Yeah, is it recording?
It's recording. Let's see if it turns off on us. Go for it. Ultra spins. How much did you bet? 264?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Look at us.
Yeah.
We're at the minimum.
We're not minimum low rollers anymore.
We are low rollers.
We are medium. Medium minimum. It's still minimum.
It's still minimum. I mean, we don't play as much as a lot of us. We just like to play. And hopefully build that content so people can subscribe and watch.
It's too low for people to watch.
I don't know. This is just the regular gaming. It's not extreme gaming, you know?
Well, if anybody wants us to continue playing, then they can comment and say, hey, keep playing.
Yes.
Otherwise, we'll go back to bubble craps.
There's no bubble craps here. Otherwise, we would have been back to bubble craps.
Yeah. Increase the 12.
I know. I keep knocking on this one. This one. I'll just keep increasing anything. I'm okay with that. Just drop balls. Drop them.
Drop your balls. Drop those family jewels.
Ultra spin. Alright.
Save it. Boom.
Ah.
12. Oh, of course, the lowest, huh? Oh, increase to 12.
You may now register the casino cashiers there for $25 for one entry or $40.
That is not bad.
That's pretty good.
$500 final. Once again, the blackjack tournament is going to start at 3 p.m.
Cool.
You may now register the casino cashiers.
Congratulations. We are back over 200.
We are?
Okay, so you want to say, let's play with some Fang Bang Pow cats. You want to Fang Bang Pow some?
Fang
Okay,
Bang Pow.
anyways. That was funny.
Yes. Let's see what changes whenever we change the denom.
Okay.
So this is one set. Game menu. 2 set. Does it change these? 5?
No?
It doesn't change.
No.
So what changes?
Might as well go down then. The size of the cats. Right?
That's it?
Size of the
Oh,
cats?
no.
No, same thing. Let's play low a bit.
Alright.
Here.
Let's do that.
There you go. You could bet 80 cents.
I don't know what we're looking for.
Yes. We're probably looking for 3 of those or 6 of those balls. 240. Like 6 of those?
6 of these.
Yeah.
It's been quiet. I'm gonna go to 2 sets. Okay.
Well, I paid more than the other game we just played.
Okay, this cat is quiet. How much is this?
Yes. 250.
Dang it.
She's searching around like should we do on the
Bubble crap. I mean,
Dragon Link.
we need. I want to see, what are the freaking game rules? Okay, this is the scatter. We haven't seen that, a lot of that. I've seen like once. And then you need, what's next? You need these.
3 of those.
Game menu, so scatter. That's it, right? It says cat. Any of that is awarded.
Okay.
Does not appear on 2, 3, and 4 during cash spin bonus. Okay, let's try. How do I get out?
There's the egg. There you go.
What am I betting?
$2.40.
Okay.
Oh, you got it. Woo! Congratulations.
I would like to get all three.
Well,
Especially
we
the
would
gold.
like a lot actually. We'd like everything.
If possible.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Is this still recording? It's not gonna turn off on me like last time?
Wild. Aww.
Aww. Nothing is good enough for us anymore. We're like, oh, wilds. Aww.
Well, I want to see.
Let's just
something there.
replace all with yes. Okay.
Okay.
Come on. Yes. 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 See?
Okay.
We change our mojo.
Alright, change the motion to yes.
Yes. Yes. They're all dancing now. They're happy with us. Look at it.
5 remain.
Come on.
What
yes.
does it do?
It gets that.
It gives, what does all of them give?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, come on, we burst all
I'd
of
like
them.
her bonus instead of ours.
Right,
There's
and that
money over
bonus.
there.
Oh, fill it up. Oh, it's
We're
all
watching
right
her.
there.
Watching
wait.
her game. We can't
Look,
wait.
there's one more. It's alive.
I'm watching our game. Oh, we have to. Okay, go.
Alright. Come on.
Ooh. Yes. Whatever that means.
It has one more remain. I don't know what that means though. All three?
So you bet $2.40 to win $16.50.
And we got all three and yet nothing?
Okay.
Okay, cash out.
All right. Good game.
I'm cashing out.
Look, she got all of them.
She got all of them! Ooh, does that mean she got the bonus? Congrats? Nuh-uh. No?
I got all of them. It says times by 2.
Ah. Well.
The grand would have been nice.
Yeah.
That's not
Okay.
what it means.
Okay, here we go. That's what I got at. That's what we're at. Check this out, huh? Those are my numbers. Let's see what it comes up as. 2. Nope. There's my bets right there. It's only 50-cent minimum here. See what happens. 16. Hey, I won $9. You bet $10, I won $9. I'm gonna do it again. Repeat. This is what it is. I'm trying to get these numbers right here. This is a $10 bet. Here we go. I finished my water too. I need more water.
Yes, me too.
Look at that. We are peeing today. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's cash out after this.
No more bets. No more bets.
No more bets.
We're looking for what number? 8?
8, 17, 20, or 29.
20.
Those are the good numbers right there in the middle.
8, 17, and 29.
Here it is. I missed your 4. I had 4. Okay. Well, that's it. Ah. Let's go find another game that we haven't played before on this cruise ship. Yep. Not that many games we like to play here except this one right here. You see that? It's hidden away, not open on this cruise. So sad. Alright, I don't think I want to play anymore here.